Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to archive or unarchive someone on WhatsApp PC. So let's get started. So if you want to archive or unarchive someone on your WhatsApp PC, so to do that what you can do is first of all open up your WhatsApp application. So from Windows search bar just search for WhatsApp. After searching for WhatsApp, now what you can do is just select a person that you would like to archive. So for example, I'll select this person. So what I can do is just left click on that, and left clicking on their profile, you will find this bunch of options. So what you can do is just tap on archive. And after tapping on archive, you have successfully archived that person. So now to unarchive them, what you have to do is just tap on this option, which is archive. So in the bottom left corner, you will find this icon. So just tap on it, and after tapping on that, here you can find all your archive chats. So what you can do is just left click on them and then tap on unarchive, and that will unarchive them. So now if you just go ahead to your chats and open up your chats, you will find the person. So that's it guys, this is how to archive or unarchive someone on WhatsApp PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.